The app Soldat Léon is a world first. With your smartphone or tablet, you can relive the D-Day landings of June 6, 1944, exactly as if you had been there. When you launch the app, a map of the city of Ouistreham appears. In order to live the experience, you need to walk up to the roof terrace of the tourist office, which is located on the beach front. This is where Private Léon Gauthier landed with the other members of the Kieffer Commandos. Right on this spot, he will appear before your very eyes to relate his story.
This event will be for always in our memory.
This is only the beginning. The app allows you to live an incredible journey through time. You will be immersed in the fighting on June the 6th at 11 a.m. By aiming at the buildings in front of you, you can see them appear exactly as they were at the time of the landings. Hundreds of historical archives were analyzed so that graphic designers could recreate the buildings. As the action unfolds all around you, you will feel immersed in the past as never before. It's up to you to decide where to look. If you aim at the sea, you will see bunkers and shells exploding. To achieve this, we used 6 cameras and we stitched the footage together to create a 360-degree video. Next, and this is where our patent is involved, the video is calibrated to perfectly match the real world. If you aim at Rue Pasteur, you will see Philippe Kieffer's tank approaching. By pointing your device to the sky, you will discover the British planes over your head. Thanks to our technology, we are able to recreate any historical event at the exact same spot where it took place.